Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to 4 tan t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 16 tan t square, number 16, we can do about factorization. 1 plus tan t square, we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have 4 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one gone here. ds we change for this one. So this one we have 16 tan t square. Number 16, we can do about factorization. This one we change for secant of t square. The square root of this one we have 4 secant of t. Now we simplify and we have secant of t dt. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 4. And we have t equal to arctan of s over 4. So we put this one to change for t. So tan with arctan we have s over 4. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.